Alright, what's up people? I'm gonna go help out my friend BJ put this head on his 1JZ and let's get this day started. Oh, I need to detail the interior of this thing. This is what we got. Never used one of these torque wrenches for the cam caps, but last time on my SR I broke the cam cap, or the cam cap bolts, so we're gonna see this time. It's crazy.
Oh man, yeah, she's in a rough shape. I feel like.
That's all right. Nothing wrong with that. You got the Z back.
3 babies.
I think so. I've never used one, but it looks like it's right.
Torque angle gauge.
Yeah. I don't know how it works, but. Alright, you got all the things out? Nope.
All the way out.
All the washers.
Oh, I thought we were leaving it. Okay.
Nah, because this came with new ones. So.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we good to.
When I started, I was like, wait, we're gonna need them. Okay.
Oh, that was smart. Had a candle burning.
Yeah, bro, cause like these damn freaking mosquitoes. Oh, no, that's not what we need. Okay, so some of the holes are bigger. You got a small magnet? Is that, I don't know why.
Question is, did I bring it?
Freaking these damn mosquitoes don't realize they shouldn't be out.
Oh man, the dang mosquitoes. I don't even know what this thing is.
It come in handy is what it is.
Yeah, it was just in my box. I don't even remember having it.
I think this one's out.
Think so?
Is that?
Grab that head gasket out once I pull this up.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Alright, let's see. Okay, we got the head on, we got the new head gasket. We have the head on backwards.
Oh yeah, we do. Yeah, so.
Perfect. Let's see, just in case. about that magnet, but should be able to get these in here. You want to do the other side with the other washers?
Okay, cool.
I'll do this side, you do that side, so we know where we at.
Okay, so you doing this one?
Yeah.
Okay, I dropped one in here, by the way.
All right, so I'll do this one back here.
Okay. They're smaller, though.
Hmm?
They're smaller than the original, it seems like.
It does seem like that.
So,
It's probably because it's for
It is.
2J.
JC people and whatever. Apparently, when the 1J and 2Js were being built, Toyota was just in the money, so they over-engineered. So, you know, I think their stock things can hold up pretty good.
For sure, man.
Oh, wait, so okay.
If you want to do this side, put them finger tight.
Okay.
Yep, so we got that at top there. Alright, so we're supposed to torque it to 25.
That's what it says.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, it goes? Oh, that's what happens?
25. This is inch pound though. See if you can do a conversion of inch pound. You're just waiting to get some extra money before you order your nice ratchet.
Bro, I seen it this morning.
How much was it?
You mean the ratchet or the
Yeah, the torque wrench.
torque wrench? It wasn't that much. I think it's like, I want to say, I think it was like 159.
Man, you should check and look on Facebook.
Okay,
See
well, why
if
not ready?
somebody has one. Because you might be able to get one for like $80,
Okay.
like half the price, man. Because they can't return it, so they feel like they ain't never gonna use it again. But with how much we do stuff on cars, you definitely gonna.
Because that's why I'm like, you know, I wouldn't mind if I can. Because I saw this one, I was like, oh, okay. Because honestly, I feel like the torque you need it. Because even like your wheels, bro. After what happened with me with the wheels,
Yeah.
like I am, yeah. So yeah. So I want to really do one because I want to take these out, those wheels, and spray them, clean them, and spray them. The same thing. The OEM silver.
All right. I just torque. Okay. Okay. So now we need to do it to the front of the motor. So you need to mark it so it's on that side. Bing, 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 bing.
What
bing,
do you
bing.
mean?
You want to mark the top of the bolt that's facing as straight as possible.
So basically, if this was it, I'd go bam.
Yep.
So that doesn't move.
And I'll put my foot here too. Can you see the 90?
Yeah, I can see it.
All right, just in
So
case.
I'll tell you when
can-
yeah. It's going. 30. 6. I'm almost at 60. 60. 70. 80. Coming around 90. I'd leave it right there. It's probably 89.5.
Yeah, yeah.
But
They all